next lesson, we will talk about text functions. Text functions are used to clean data. We can break down long information into smaller pieces, or we can combine information together. Let's start with the most basic text functions, which are left, right, and mid. All right, for this exercise, we will use the company's dataset. The fields are company name, registration number, region, and then gross revenue. It's ranked from 2015 to 2019, and the actual gross revenue value in billion pesos from 2015 to 2019. Just for context, this is a list of the top companies in the Philippines according to gross revenue. All right, so for our first text functions, we will utilize this column, the SEC registration number. I will just hide this so that it will be easy for us. So for the left function, it says here, the first two letters in the registration code is the industry code. Now we have to show the industry code. So left, right, and mid functions would let us trim our text into a certain number of characters. So you have to establish how many number of characters do you want. All right. So for the left, we will cut our data starting from the left. So the way we will write this is left, and then the text, which is this is what we want to cut, and then comma, and we will write the number of characters. So it says first two letters, that's what we want, right? So we'll write here 2. This is the industry code. Okay, so you can actually copy that and paste everything so that you can cut all um, industry code of all company here. Same goes with the right function, except that for right, it will start from the right instead of left. So the last 4 digits in the registration code is the business number. Now we want to show the business number, so that's 4 characters from the right. Right here, and then, oops, here, and then 4. That's how we use the right function. Now we have left that would start from the leftmost character, and then the right that will start from the rightmost character. We also have mid, which starts in the middle. So mid function requires you to have where is the starting point and how many number of characters do we want. Okay, so for this one, it says extract text from second to 7th place. So in this case, we want the um, second character here up to the 7th place. So we will have second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. That's 6 characters, right? So mid, we want the text, and then the starting point, which is the second, right? That's where we start. And then how many characters, including the second character? That's 6. So that's how we use left, right, and mid function. We also have find and concatenate under text functions. Now, find function lets us look for the placement of a certain text within a long string of text in Excel. In this example, we want to find the placement of 000 in, let's say, this text string. So it's like asking Excel, where can I find this? Right? The way we write this is find, and then you will put the text that you want to look for. So what are we looking for? This is what we want to find. And then where are we looking at? That's how we write. If you will notice, there is a square bracket here. That's actually optional. So you can select where to start. But by default, it will start looking from the beginning, the leftmost character in Excel. So the output of find is a number. This means 000 can be found. starting from third character in our text. That's how we use a find function. Now we also have concatenate. This function lets us combine texts together. So it's just like adding two texts together, or three or four, depending on you. So the way we write concatenate is, so text one, comma, text two, comma, and so on. In this case, we want to concatenate industry code and business number. Industry code has been extracted earlier through the left function, while business number has been extracted through the right function. Now we want to combine them together. So concatenate industry code, comma, and then business number. If in case you have more text that you want to include, just put comma and then the next text. So now it is combined. That's how we use concatenate function.